the meaning of FYI?
For your information.
Yeah! Tama!
Oy, tatay mo lang.
Work from home.
Tama! What is the meaning of LMK?
Ano?
LMK.
Alam mo kaya?
Four.
Eat your... Oh.
Mali!
Ano?
DIY. 5.
Do it your own.
Mali!
Ano ba yun? Bakit pag alam mo?
What is the meaning of DIY? Okay, what is the meaning of FYI?
For your information.
Yeah! Tama!
Oy, tatay mo lang.
What is the meaning of ETA or ETA? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Meron siyang tomato.
Okay.
Pizza siya.
Estimated
time of arrival.
Tama! What is the meaning of KPI?
Oh no!
5, 4,
Ano ba yan?
You pay!
what is the meaning of EOD?
EOD?
Yes.
Ay ka.
In, on, out.
Mali!
Ay! Hindi mo kamo dyan!
What is the meaning of EOD?
EOD? End of day.
Tama!
Ay, galing nga!
Basta mo yung ano na!
Uy!
What is the meaning of PTO?
Ah!
5,
Patay ka!
4,
Tuktok na lang!
Philippine
Two.
Travel Organization. Akala ko PBO. Pinoy Box Office.
PTO!
5, 4, 3.
Botak te! Pinoy Travel Overseas. Ay, wait lang. Nagdali pa na mga nila yan. Ganda ito.
Course
Ito, ang dami naman nun.
Hindi, kinalat ko lang.
Tama.
Tuloy. Tuloy.
Okay. Ay, sagot. Paid
Paid
time
time
off.
off.
What is the meaning of ROI?
Oh no!
5, 4, 3.
Return of investment.
Mali!
Mali yun.
Ano?
Return of information.
Wrong! Go lang. 5, 4, 3, 2,
salamin.
1. Walang dumudok pa.
Uy, uy.
Oh, yun. Return on investment.
Yes, tama. What is the meaning of WFH?
Patay ka.
5,
Favorite ko.
3, 2, 1.
Alam mo na yun, Tol.
Work from home.
Tama!
Yan.
Gagalingan ko na.
What is the meaning of LMK?
Ano?
LMK. 5.
Alam mo kaya?
Let me know. Okay, tama. What is the meaning of NVM? 5.
Never mind.
Tama!
Hoy mo, balik mo yan! Ang daya mo.
What is the meaning of TGIF?
Thanks God, it's Friday.
Tama!
Oh, dito!
What is the meaning of RN? 5.
Right now.
Tama! What is the meaning of OOTD? 5.
Of the day.
Tama! Ay!
Bilis ko na.
Ba't sa akin mahirap?
What is the meaning of BRB? 5.
Drive back! Drive back! Drive back! Ang bilis ko ngayon. Drive back!
What is the meaning of AFK? 5,
FK.
4, 1, and... Uy, 1 na.
Oh, wala naman talaga.
Okay.
Away from keyboard.
Tama. What is the meaning of... What is the meaning of BTW? 5.
By the way, lumakas ka
Tama.
lang.
Oh, hindi sa iwan yan.
What is the meaning of TTYL? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
Ikaw muna.
Ay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Forever.
Ikaw na.
What is the meaning of TTY? Ikaw na.
Ka naman muna.
Meaning of
Talk to you later.
Tama. What is the meaning of HMU? 5,
HMU.
4,
How about you?
3, 2,
How much you?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... HMU.
Homemade. You.
HMU.
Hit me up.
Tama.
Ito may dictionary sa utak. Bawal ka sa dictionary sa utak.
What is the meaning of IMO? 5, 4, 3,
Game, busog pa kasi.
IMO. 5,
Kami nga ata yung
4,
I am
3, 2,
5. I know, right?
1. No. 5, 4,
I am over.
3. No. 5,
Pwede naman kasi ganun eh.
Ilubog mo yung mukha.
IMO.
In my opinion.
Tama. Sabi na yung nandun. What is the meaning of IDK?
I don't care.
IDK!
Aray ka!
I don't know.
Tayo mo man.
Lalo ko si...
What is the meaning of
Dalihan mo lang.
TBA? 5,
Throwback.
Throwback Anday.
Afternoon.
Throwback Anday.
5,
Airport yun eh.
4.
To be announced.
Tama.
Luwas ka dyan. Uy, huwag ka na uminom! Wait lang!
Meaning of
Dito
T
sa... Ako pisay.
B D.
Ano?
T B D. T B D. 5, 4,
To be declared.
3, 2,
1.
Drive.
Ikaw na. Lubuhin mo.
no,
No.
and
To be discovered?
no.
To be determined.
Tama.
Ano ba yan?
What is the meaning of F A Q?
FAQ?
5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3.
Ako na naman uli.
4, 3, 2,
Hindi mo alam? Hindi alam. Ang dami naman yan. Hindi. Lubog lang.
F A Q.
Frequently asked questions.
Tama. What is the meaning of AKA? AKA.
AKA.
Five.
Huwag mo na. Walang.
Wow.
AKA
4,
AKA.
3.
as known as.
Tama.
Oh, lumas ka dyan. Huwag ka na
Ay,
awasin.
mali! Mali! Mali pala! Sorry, mali!
Ano ka AKA?
AKA. AKA. Ate. Ay, AKA. 5, 4.
Na, di mo alam yan.
Hindi alam ko eh.
Oh, sige.
Oh, ano?
Gagi. Mali
Also
pala.
known as.
Oo.
Tama! Yes. What is the meaning of DIY? 5, 4.
Eat your... Oh.
Mali!
Ano?
DIY. 5.
Do it your own.
Mali!
Ano ba yun?
Bakit pag alam mo?
What is the meaning of DIY?
Kaya tayo nagkaano eh.
I do it yourself.
What is the meaning of NP? 5.
No problem.
Tama. What is the meaning of NA? 5, 4, 3, 2, One.
No answer, sabi mo. No answer.
Not applicable.
Tama. What is the meaning of PM?
Personal message.
Mali.
na yan.
5.
Voice ka dyan! Private message.
Mali.
Utang!
Love ka.
PM!
Gabi.
Mali. What is the meaning of PM?
Ay, alam
5.
ko na. Alam ko na.
1 and...
Private.
Alam ko na.
Personal message.
Mali.
Alam ko na.
Project manager.
Tama. What is the meaning of BIT? 5. BIT. 4.
Bureau International.
Mali.
BIR.
BIT.
Lubog-lubog ka lang. Ubus na, oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
Next na.
Hindi ko alam yun.
What is the meaning of EOM? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
OEM yun.
OEM pala yun.
Meaning of
Ba't di mo sinabi?
EOM. EOM.
Ako na.
Meaning of EOM.
Ikaw na. Di mo ayaw sumagot, ah. Ano yan?
EO.
Ah, tapos si Kuya Bon. Employee of the month.
Mali po.
Ano may sagot eh?
Sabi na isagot?
Oo, sabihin mo na.
End of message. FTE. 3, 2,
Hindi ko alam yun.
5.
Full trip everyone.
Mali! Mali!
Talikod niyo ako ah.
Uy!
Kaya mo. John B.